Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make waffles Belgian only way. Preheat your Belgian waffle iron to medium-high and grease the plates lightly with butter or oil. Measure ingredients precisely and whisk wet and dry components separately before combining gently to avoid overmixing. Use a thick batter that pours slowly into the iron so pockets form properly. Cook until steam slows and edges brown for perfect texture every time. Start by mixing dry ingredients in one bowl and wet ingredients in another for best results. Crack 2 large eggs and beat them with milk, melted butter, and vanilla for a rich flavor. Pour the wet mixture into the dry mix and fold gently until combined, avoiding overmixing to keep the waffles tender. Let the batter rest briefly while the iron heats so the leavening activates and gives good rise. When your iron is hot, ladle batter into the center and close the lid without pressing to allow pockets to form. Watch the steam. When it slows and waffles show deep golden color, they are ready to remove. Transfer cooked waffles to a wire rack rather than a plate to keep both sides crisp. For frozen-style reheating, use a toaster or oven to regain crunch without sogginess and serve immediately with toppings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.